Hello, my dear bachcho. Welcome back.
It's your favorite tutor here. And I know, exams are just around the corner. But don't you worry, we're going to make this revision super easy and, believe it or not, super fun. No stress, okay? Just success. All right, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever wondered why your friend's New Year, Lohri, is in January, but yours, maybe Diwali, is way back in October? I mean, it's the same country, right? So what's going on? Well, that's exactly what we're going to figure out today. So let's get right into it. We're talking about India's secret superpower. Yep, you heard that right. We're going to find out what it is that makes our country so special. The big ideal we're tackling today is unity in diversity. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a really heavy, boring textbook phrase, right? But trust me, it's super simple. It just means that even though we're all different in like a million ways, that's the diversity, we're all still connected as one big family. That's the unity.
Okay, check this out. Just think of India like a giant thali. You've got your dal, your sabzi, your rotis, some rice, a little pickle, a sweet dish, so many different things on one plate. That's our diversity. But put it all together, it makes one absolutely delicious, complete meal. That's our unity. Simple, isn't it?
And just to give you an idea of how huge this diversity is, get this. There was a massive study called the People of India Project. And they found, wait for it, 4,635 different communities and 325 different languages. Can you even imagine? It's just mind-boggling.
All right, so are you ready for a little Bharat Darshan, a tour of India, right from your room? Our first stop? Oh, it's the place we all love the most. We're heading into the Indian kitchen.
I mean, just think about our food. We have thousands, maybe even lakhs of different dishes. From that amazing biryani in the north, to the crispy dosas in the south, to the soft, spongy dhokla from the west. Seriously, every single corner of India has its own special, delicious flavor.
But here's where the magic happens, the unity part. When you look closer, underneath all that variety, what do you see? You see the same basic ingredients like rice, dal, and wheat. They're like the building blocks. So whether you're eating a dosa made from rice or a roti made from wheat, we're all connected by these same basic foods. So many dishes, all coming from just a few common grains. See? Unity and diversity, right there on your plate.
Okay, food done. Let's move on. Next stop on our tour, we're leaving the kitchen and opening up India's amazing colorful wardrobe. And what's the perfect example here? The beautiful saree, of course. Think about it. For unity, what is it? It's just one single long piece of cloth. That's it. Simple. But for diversity, oh my goodness, it's worn in hundreds of different ways. And the materials, you've got cotton, silk, Banarasi, Kanjivaram. The list just goes on and on. And you know what? The saree isn't some new fashion trend. No way! This tradition has been with us for centuries, for a very, very long time. Look here, on the left, that's a stone carving from ages ago showing a woman in a saree. And on the right, well, you see the gorgeous, colorful silk ones we have today. It's an unbroken tradition.
You've probably seen those cool saree draping challenge reels on Instagram, right? Where people show you how to drape it in 10 different ways. Well, next time you see one, remember this chapter. That's diversity in action, right there on your phone.
All right, next stop on our Bharat Darshan. We've done food, we've done clothes, now it's time for some fun and celebration. Let's talk about our amazing festivals. Now, here's the key thing about our festivals. A lot of the time, we're all celebrating the very same idea, just with different names and different customs. A perfect example is the Harvest Festival. It happens around the same time in January, but look at this map. In the north, they call it Lohri. In Gujarat, it's Uttarayan. Down south, it's Pongal. And over in Assam, it's Magh Bihu. It's one idea, the harvest, but celebrated in so many beautiful ways all across the country. Okay, exam time. A quick pop quiz for you. I literally just said it, so pay attention. Makara Sankranti is called Pongal in which state? I'll give you a 3-second countdown. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's Tamil Nadu. Did you get it right? Yes? Brilliant. Give yourself a little pat on the back. You're definitely paying attention. Well done. Okay, for our final stop, we're going to talk about something really special. Something that connects not just our minds, but our hearts too. Let's dive into the epic adventures and stories that truly unite us all.
Of course, I'm talking about our two great epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Now, these stories were first written in Sanskrit thousands of years ago. But here's the amazing part. Since then, they've been translated and retold in almost every single Indian language you can think of. There are folk versions, tribal versions. It's like every community has made these stories their own. They connect people from Kashmir right down to Tamil Nadu, creating this incredible shared culture.
So, we've had our little tour, right? We've looked at our food, our clothes, our festivals, and our stories. So what's the big takeaway here? What's the main point you need to remember for your exam?
It's actually as simple as 1, 2, 3. Ready? Step 1. India has huge diversity in our food, our clothes, our festivals, everything. Step 2. But underneath all that, there's a deep underlying unity that connects us all. Common grains, common ideas, common stories. And step 3, and this is the most important part, our real strength, our superpower, is in celebrating all these differences, not hiding them.
Even our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, pointed this out. He said, and I quote, "The old epics of India were widely known among the masses, and every incident and story and moral in them was engraved on the popular mind." That's it, right there. That's the unity we're talking about. It's like one shared heartbeat for the whole country.
And that's a wrap on this chapter. Just remember the simple idea of unity in diversity, and I promise your answers will just flow. You are all so brilliant. You are going to do wonderfully in your exams. I just know it. All the very best, my dear Bachcho. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.